1944. You see, 1944. 1944. 1944. Ceiling Australia. Ceiling Australia. 1944. 1944. Ceiling Australia. And the back of this is the photo. The photo of Alphonse Georgiev 6D. GBR OMN Rex F D IND IMP. So this is the photo of Georgiev 6D. Look. So this is it. The photo of Georgiev 6D and the 1944 Ceiling Australia. Ceiling Australia 1944. Ceiling Australia 1944. Ceiling Australia. This is the picture of Australia. Ceiling Australia. Ceiling 1944. And the photo of Georgiev 6D. Georgiev 6D. GBR OMN Rex F D IND and IMP. So this is the photo of Georgiev and the Australia ceiling 1944. So this is 1944 Queen, old rare Queen, expensive old rare Queen in the year 1944.